Today we're going to be looking at factoring trinomials with leading coefficients other than 1. In our first example, we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. The only factors of 2x squared are 2x and x, so we know the factoring must be the quantity 2x plus something times x plus something. Next, we know the only factors of 3 are 3 and 1. So it is either 2x plus 3 times x plus 1 or 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. The only choice, which will give us 7x as a second term, is 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. In our second example, we have 12y squared plus 5y minus 3. Well, the only factors of 12y squared are 12y times y, or 6y times 2y, or 3y times 4y. Next, we know the only factors of negative 3 are 3 and 1 of them must be negative. So it is either the quantity plus 3 times the quantity minus 1, or the quantity minus 3 times the quantity plus 1. The only choice, which will give us 5y as a second term, is the quantity 3y minus 1 times the quantity 4y plus 3. Our third example is 3x squared minus 8x plus 5. The only factors of 3x squared are 3x and x, so we know it must be 3x minus times x minus, and we know that because those two minuses, when we put numbers in here, will become a plus. And those two negatives, as we FOIL these, will give us a negative as a second term. Next, we know the only factors of a positive 5 with the second term, negative second term, are negative 5 and negative 1, which is just what we had said up here. The question is, do we put the negative 5 with the 3x or the negative 5 with the x? Well, the only choice, which gives us negative 8x, which we have up here as a second term, is the quantity 3x minus 5 times the quantity x minus 1. Our next example is 14x cubed plus 18x squared plus 4x. First, we factor out the greatest common factor, which in this case is 2x. If we take 2x away from that 14x squared, we get 14x cubed. We get 7x squared, and we can do that a quick check. 2x times 7x squared is our 14x cubed. But as we continue on and we take 2x away from that 18x squared, we know the factor has to be 9x in order to get back to our 18x squared. And then we take 2x out of that 4x, and we know that 2 times that 2x will give us our 4x. So now we know 2x times the quantity 7x plus something times x plus something. We know at least that far. Next, we know the only factors of 2 are 2 and 1. And again, we're getting that 2 from here. So it is either 7x plus 2 times x plus 1 or 7x plus 1 times x plus 2. The only choice which gives us 9x as a second term is using this 7x plus 2 times x plus 1. We can't forget that we factored out that 2x up here. So the final answer is 2x times the quantity 7x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 1.